I've learned a lot. I think I've learned that there's no need to sort of micromanage these events, but rather go with the flow, especially when people are so nice from different industry areas. I've seen so many companies talking to each other, exchanging ideas and information about contacts that they have, so brilliant for networking.
Hi, I'm David Prince, the Business Director for Euroresins UK. I've just come to the end of a very busy day at our new product showcase event, hosted by our partners Forekla. It's been a fantastic event. We oversubscribed, it was a sellout, so really great customer engagement. We've also had some of our key suppliers who have been demonstrating products throughout the day on a carousel basis. So we've had the Forekla guys and girls, we've had Ester Clean Systems, we've had Stoner, we've had Bufu demonstrating a couple of products as well, and we've also had structural adhesives from Cygrip. So we've had a really good mixture of products offering great application time savings and also offering some environmental benefits as well.